Asus just dropped their ultimate gaming weapon, the ROG Phone 9 Pro. This isn't just another spec bump. We're looking at Qualcomm's newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a blistering 185Hz display, and game-changing AI features that'll make your mobile sessions next level. Let's break down why this might be 2025's definitive gaming phone. First impressions matter, and the 9 Pro nails the gamer aesthetic without going overboard. That matte glass back with etched decals feels premium, while the redesigned camera module gives it signature ROG flair. But the real showstopper? That programmable mini LED matrix display, now on both Pro and standard models. You can run animations, notifications, or even play retro minigames right on your phone's back. Though fair warning, you'll need to start those games on the main screen first. Gaming phones live and die by their displays, and Asus brought the heat. The 6.78-inch AMOLED now pushes to an insane 185Hz refresh rate, perfect for competitive shooters. Daily drivers will appreciate the LTPO tech that drops all the way to 1 Hz to save battery. Brightness hits 1900 nits when you need it, and HDR10 Plus support means your games and videos pop with perfect contrast. Performance is where things get wild. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is an absolute monster, especially when you activate X mode with the included Aeroactive Cooler X. This isn't just a fan, it's a Peltier cooler that drops temps dramatically, unlocking sustained peak performance. Benchmarks show 20 to 30% gains over last year's flagships. The cooling system now includes a kickstand, extra buttons, and even a built-in subwoofer for immersive audio. Asus went all in on gaming customization. The Armory Crate lets you tweak everything from CPU clock speeds to touch sampling rates per game. New AI features can automate repetitive tasks in games like Genshin Impact, think auto-looting, or pathfinding. There's even real-time translation and visual search powered by on-device AI processing. Battery life impresses with a 5,800 mAh cell, good for nearly 17 hours of mixed use. 65W charging gets you to 76% in 30 minutes, and yes, wireless charging finally makes the cut. The side-mounted USB-C port returns for accessories and DisplayPort video out, while the 3.5mm jack stays for low-latency audio. Camera upgrades might surprise you. The gimbal-stabilized 50MP main sensor captures solid daytime shots, while the 3x telephoto delivers usable zoom. Night mode processing cleans up low-light shots remarkably well. Video shooters get 8K recording with dual stabilization, electronic plus physical gimbal. So who's this for? If you're serious about mobile gaming and want every possible advantage, the ROG Phone 9 Pro is currently unmatched. Between the cooling system, customizable controls, and raw power, it's built to dominate. More casual players might balk at the price, but for hardcore gamers, this is the new benchmark. Want to see how it stacks up against last year's model or other gaming flagships? Let us know which features excite you most in the comments.